In the realm of Forex trading, currency pairs are the backbone. They represent the value of one currency against another. It's a world where the US dollar might dance with the euro or the Japanese yen might tango with the British pound. Now, there are three main types of pairs: major, minor, and exotic. Major pairs involve the US dollar on one side. Think euro and dollar or dollar and yen. They're the crowd favorites, holding a significant share of the global trade volume. On the other hand, minor pairs don't feature the US dollar, but they do include major currencies. An example? How about the euro and yen? Exotic pairs, however, are the wild cards. They involve a major currency and a currency from a developing economy like the South African rand or the Mexican peso. But why do these pairs fluctuate? It's a dance dictated by economic factors like inflation, political stability, and interest rates. So the next time you see a currency pair, remember it's more than just numbers. It's a snapshot of a global economic story.